Hello and welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can partition your hard drive just as you are seeing on your screen. Now my hard drive is 500 gig, but I've divided it or partitioned it into two. Now the essence of having your drive partition is that you can keep Windows on one side of the drive and also your various and relevant documents that are very important. If you don't do it that way and then you have all your drive as one and then your informations on the desktop, download, document or whatever, they all reside on the local disk C. But when you logically divide your drive or partition it into two, it makes it more safer in terms there is any emergency that you need to format or install any Windows. It won't affect all your informations over here, but rather what you have on Windows. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can partition your drive into a number of logical volumes, even if your drive is one. Now let's go straight into it. Alright, so to perform a disk partition, now you have to come to this PC, then just simply right click on it and then you come to manage. So when you come to manage, now the manage helps you to manage your computer. So we have what we call the disk management. So you click on disk management. So when you click on the disk management, it will load all various disks or drive that are connected to your computer. So you can see my drive. This is my local drive. That is 500 gig, almost 500 gig. That is 465, approximately 500 gig. And these are the two partitions that I have done. So if your own has not been partitioned yet, you will see it as a single volume, that is drive C. So in order for you to create a partition from that, what you have to do is that you just have to right click on it and now you come to shrink volume. Now the shrink volume can help to reduce or accumulate part of your drive and then create a new partition for it. Just as you are seeing, I've already done my own. So assuming like your drive is just only one drive C, you just have to come to shrink volume. So when you come to shrink volume, it will just accumulate the various space that have been reserved or used, and then the one that you can use as in the new volume. All right, so now when you click on the shrink, so this will happen. So this is the total size of the drive. That is 229,950. That is around 230 gig. And now the size of the available shrink in space. So this is the space that I'm going to get out of this space. That is the total volume. So here I can even enter a number of it. But if you want the Windows to just accumulate or calculate per as it is, you can do it for you. So this is the total size after shrink in megabytes. So this I will have almost 91,061. That is, I'm going to get almost 91 gigabytes of space. So now if I hit on the shrink, automatically it will create a new volume for me. So let me just click on shrink. All right, so now this is the volume that has been accumulated. That is, out of the 230 gig, I've had 135.63 as a new volume. So if you realize, my drive C has been reduced by 88.93 size. So here is a new volume for me that I can use on my computer. So this will not show up when you check from your disk PC. This will not show up here. The new volume that we have will not show because it's unallocated. There's no file system on it. So we need to perform a formatting. So just quickly check. We have only two volumes. This is my previous volume I have. And now let's go to the format and then format it. So here I'll just simply right click and then go to new volume. So when I go to new volume, I'll just come to next. So this is the drive space. I'll go to next and now it also assign a drive letter. You can change the drive letter if you wish. So let me just maintain the D and I'll go to next. So this will be the volume name. So maybe I want to make it backup drive, so I can just name it. All right, so here you just leave all these settings, perform a quick format. So leave it like that and I'll go to next and I'll finish. Now the moment I finish, the drive will format and then it will have a file system. So automatically it has even show up here. So let's go to this PC and find out if the drive is there. So you can see this is a new volume that we got from the main drive C. That was about 230 gig. So this is a new volume. So I have 3 partition now. So that's how you can use to perform disk partition in case you have just one volume, you want to have multiple volumes. So I can keep any information on this one that will not be affected in case I want to format my Windows, or maybe I want to reinstall a new Windows. It will just affect this one, but the data that I have here will still be saved. So you can do this to keep your data so long as your computer is alive, or so long as your drive is active. If you do that, it makes it more secure for you to protect your data, because anytime that you perform a new Windows or installation, you just do it on this one. So feel free, let me know in the comment section if you have done yours or if you are yet to do your own. And if you are facing any challenges, I'll be there to guide you and help you. Please don't forget to like this video if it has helped you, and also share this video also to help friends and other loved ones, to also help them to partition their drive so that they can protect their data. Now subscribe to the channel so that anytime we release a new video, be the one to get notification of. Now see you in the next video. Bye bye.